Welcome back to our channel Aglasem Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 6, that is triangles. So starting with the rest of the question of our fourth exercise, that is 6.4, our sixth question says prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So here the two triangles are given. So here we have to let triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. That is, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. And now AD and PS are the medians of the triangle. It means AD and PS are the medians of these two triangles. Given is that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So here AB divided by PQ is equals to BC divided by QR is equals to AC divided by PR will be our first equation. So here we have angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R will be our second equation. Moving further, we have AD and PS are medians of triangles. So now BD is equal to DC is equals to half of BC and QS equals to SR is equals to half of QR. So now from equation 1 we have AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QS, which are equals to AC upon PR. That is our third equation. So now we have triangle, that is ABD and PQS. It means ABD and PQS, these two triangles. So in this triangle we have angle B and angle Q from our second equation, and AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QS, that is from our third equation. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle PQS, that is by SAS property. So now AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QS, which are equals to AD upon PS, that is our fourth equation. Solving further, we have arc of triangle ABC divided by arc of triangle PQR, that is equals to AB square divided by PQ square is equals to BC square divided by QR square, which is equals to AC square divided by PR square. So now we have first and fourth equation. So from these equation we can find AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR, which is equals to AC upon PR, and they are equals to AD upon PS. So therefore we have arc of triangle ABC divided by arc of triangle PQR is equals to AD square divided by PS square. Moving to question number 7, which says prove that the areas of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to the half of the equilateral triangle described on the one of its diagonal. So here we have to let ABCD is a square, that is ABCD, this is the square of sides A units, and diagonal, that is root 2 units. So triangles formed on side and diagonals are triangle ABE and triangle DBF, that is ABE and triangle DBF. So here the length of triangle ABE is A unit and the length of triangle BDF is root 2 A unit. So both the triangles are equilateral and each 60. So arc of triangle ABC divided by arc of triangle DBF is equals to A upon root 2A whole square, which will give you 1 upon 2. Moving further to question number 8, which says ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and BDE is, part 1 says 2:1, part 2 says A:2, part 3 says 4:1, or D says 1:4. So here we have given options. So the answer is both the triangles are equilateral and each 60. So by AAA similarity we have triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BDE. So here we have to let the size of triangle ABC is X and the side of triangle BDE is half, that is X divided by 2. So arc of triangle ABC divided by arc of triangle BDE is equals to X divided by X upon 2 a whole square. It will give you 4:1. So option C is correct, that is this. Moving to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 9, which says sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio, that is part 1 says 2:3. B says 4:9. C says 81:16 and D says 16:81. So here the answer is, that is we have to know that the ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. Therefore, the ratio of triangles of two triangles is 4:9 whole square, which will give you 16:81. It means option D is correct. So guys, this is all from this exercise. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasem Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.